Hi, today I want to show you how to work with satin fabric and share some of my tips. Don't buy polyester satin. It will stick to your legs, it will feel uncomfortable. I offer you to choose viscose, this one viscose satin or lyocell. Satin is beautiful fabric, it makes your legs so flattering and it looks so good on the body, but it's difficult to work with. So after you choose fabric, please take a Microtex needle. It's sharp needle. It will not damage the fabric, it will not pull threads when you sew. You don't need to sew thick thread. Thin polyester, strong thread will be enough. Have problem when you cut satin for the first time, or if you have not very sharp scissors, I advise you to buy stabilizer spray. You spray your fabric and it becomes not flexible, so you can cut it easily and it will not slide. You can try and test, and I heard so many positive reviews about these sprays, and they sell them, for example, if you're in Oslo, they have it in self-made. Next, for example, you have beautiful slip skirt and you want to copy it. New season, you want some more colors or different design, so you take a new skirt, you copy your pattern to paper or to flieseline, and after put this pattern on top of your fabric. Try to put it on diagonal, because as you see, if you put diagonal, your fabric becoming very stretchy, so you don't need elastan or anything, just pure viscose will be perfect. But when you cut bias, it gives also so flattering silhouette. But also after you cut your skirt, you use special technique for sew it together. Don't forget to just hang it for 2 days, because satin stretch unevenly and hem needs to be leveled after it settles. If you're a beginner, I also advise you to hand stitch seams before you start stitching it in machine. When you stitch it, also use big needle to put it evenly underfoot. And at the end, don't forget to watch some tutorials about French seam and American seam to make clean finish. So you don't need overlock machine, you can use any simple sewing machine. Yes, satin requires patience, but result worth it. It's all about slow work, control, and letting fabric guide you.